Hello everyone, and congratulations on making the incredible decision to join our Evernote Mastery course. My name is Joe Paris, but Matt Carreno is actually going to take you through the series of video tutorials here in our best-selling course. Now this course is incredible. When I met Matt, he was extremely passionate about becoming more productive and using the getting things done method and also using Evernote. And he's created an amazing little spin here, and this course is very fast-paced. Also, Matt has recorded on a Mac computer, but if you are a Windows user, we have a little checklist for you to help kind of you understand how to use the same things with your Windows computer. So we keep it very simple, and there may be some updates on Evernote depending upon when you're watching this course. So just update it. You're going to have to maybe shift things around a little bit, but for the most part, what's really important is the principles that you're going to gain and the knowledge of how to use Evernote and the things that Matt's teaching you in this course combined with the getting things done method. So I just wanted to warmly welcome you to the course. This course is really life-changing, and we always appreciate your reviews, and we always appreciate, too, your feedback. I know Udemy is going to ask you for some feedback here, and, well, we'd love to hear it. So thanks again for watching this introductory video, and now Matt's going to take things away and help you become more productive using Evernote.